Why has oxygen on the surface of the Earth not ended yet despite being consumed in large quantities every second? Oxygen is the essential element for life on Earth, and we inhale and consume it in large quantities every second. But how is it renewed and sustained despite this constant consumption? The answer is the oxygen cycle, a complex balanced journey that ensures oxygen is present in sufficient quantities to sustain life. Stages of the oxygen journey. Photosynthesis. It's carried out by plants and algae. Plant cells that contain the pigment chlorophyll use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar molecules, glucose, and oxygen, resulting in the release of oxygen into the atmosphere as a byproduct. Breathing. All living organisms, humans, animals, plants. It contains living cells that in turn facilitate breathing by consuming oxygen to produce energy through the process of cellular respiration, which results in the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which plants use in the process of photosynthesis, as we said previously. Decomposition. Decomposition takes place through soil and oceans because they contain microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, which in turn decompose dead organic materials such as tree leaves and animal corpses. And this also results in the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Storage. Storing organic materials in natural reservoirs such as trees, plants, and animals is considered by returning large amount of oxygen in the composition of the organic materials, resulting in the slow re-release of oxygen into the atmosphere through decomposition, as we explained to you previously. All previous stages are responsible for maintaining the balance of oxygen in the atmosphere. The amount of oxygen produced through photosynthesis is approximately equal to the amount of oxygen consumed through respiration. Some oxygen is stored in organic matter, while another amount is released into the atmosphere through decomposition. Rocks and minerals help regulate oxygen levels in the atmosphere through processes such as weathering and erosion. But there are factors that affect the cycle, such as deforestation. It reduces the amount of oxygen produced. Fossil combustion increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Climate change affects respiration rates and plant growth. So, how do we protect the oxygen cycle? We must preserve forests, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, and combat climate change. Ultimately, the oxygen cycle is a complex and precise natural process that maintains the availability of oxygen essential for life on planet Earth. Here we have reached the end of the video, dear followers. We hope that the information has satisfied you and impressed you. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our channel, support us with the like button, publish the video to your friends, and activate the notification bells to receive all our news.